Hello and welcome to this Profit Protector Pro video. Today I'm going to explain the importance of using a blank template CSV. So if you've come across the bulk inventory management page so far, you've probably been using the full inventory CSV, the in stock, or downloading a CSV by filters. Now, what is a blank template CSV? Well, let's take a look and I'll explain exactly what it is. So by clicking on this, you're able to download the blank template and open that up. And what it does is it gives you all of the relevant columns exactly the way that it should be when you're handling one of these CSV files. So it will be exactly the same as what you'd get in a full inventory download, for example. So all of the columns are in the right places, in the right format. So what is this exactly and when would you use it? So if you're familiar with the Profit Protector Pro Chrome extension, or maybe the Profit Protector Pro and Buybot Pro integration, whereby you can set up repricing information for your items in advance, this is another way of doing that same kind of thing, except the perk to doing it this way is that you can do it in bulk. Now, if you have any items that you want to add into Profit Protector Pro with all of the repricing information set up in advance, this is another way to do it. So you can add in things like your ASIN, the min price, the max price, the buy price, break even, the marketplace ID, so you can say if it is for the UK marketplace to the US or whatever. The strategy ID, so the ID you get from this section down here. So you've got the different keys in the bulk inventory page. So for example, if you're setting a strategy and it's the super aggressive dominator, you'd enter in 20 to use that particular strategy. Or let's say you were using the match low FBA price, you'd enter in the number 4 and so forth. Then you have the custom strategy name. So if you're using a custom strategy, please make sure that you're entering in the exact custom strategy name that you want to apply. Make sure that it's marked as active in the custom strategy section as well. You can enter in the automation. So if you want to apply an automation to that particular listing as well, then you can. The same with the custom strategies. Make sure that you enter in that exact automation name that you want to apply. Make sure it's active in the automation section. If you want to toggle on the item for small and light, EFN or PAN, then you can. And so this basically affects the calculations that Profit Protector Pro performs when it works out the estimates for your profit and ROI based on the current price of the item. And it can even get taken into account when you're using the min and max automation feature as well. So if you want to turn these on, then you can use number 1 based on the key here, or if you want to leave them off, just enter in 0. And if you are working with a different VAT rate percentage for whatever reason that might be, so for example, there are some grocery items in the UK that have 0% VAT. So if you are not working with the standard VAT rate for that particular marketplace, then you can enter that in here. So that all in all is how you'd enter in the information for this blank template CSV. You can add as many rows as you like. Just make sure that you keep all of the columns exactly the same and the format the same. Save what you have done. Make sure that you are keeping it as a CSV file, and then you can go ahead and upload that into Profit Protector Pro using this button here. It will tell you if there's any errors, but otherwise it will probably say something like successful upload. Please await the changes, and then just keep an eye on your inventory and you'll see things start to come into Profit Protector Pro. Then what it will need to do from there is await the SKU from Amazon and confirm the information, and then it can start repricing. Hopefully this helps you with your understanding of what a blank template is and how useful it can be. Go ahead and give it a go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.